down because who's left to buy it?
Mm-hmm.
If you're, I'm not on social media. I know of influencers, but if somebody's telling you and everybody's buying it, are you going to be the last one to the party? I mean, yeah, but just think if everybody's bought, the price is going down because there's nobody left to buy.
Mm.
So I just think you've got to have just be a little bit careful, because I do think my experience with the Institute and meeting so many retail traders, that the number of times I heard, I wish I'd come to you guys first. I wish I'd discovered you guys earlier before they're being scammed by some charlatans, or because there is so much bullshit out there in the retail world. And frankly, I find it obscene and disgusting. Again, if something sounds too good to be true, it's probably too good to be true. So be very, very careful.
What was the motivation? Because obviously right now you're not part of the Institute at this moment, right? But you spent a nice chunk of time really mentoring so many people.